Hi! Do you often get confused with the words watch, look, and see in English? Welcome to Jen's Jyugyou. My name is Jen, and today I'm going to teach you the differences between the commonly confused verbs watch, look, and see. A lot of people get the words watch, look, and see confused because they're all kind of similar and are all connected to what your eyes are doing. However, by the end of today's lesson, I hope to clear up any confusion you might have about the difference between these three verbs. First, let's take a look at watch. Watch usually means that you are focusing your attention on something for a longer period of time. To watch something, you are spending a longer time than if you are just looking at it or if you just see it. Specifically, when we use the verb watch in English, not only is it for a longer period of time of our attentive focus on this item, but the thing that we are watching also has some movement to it. It's not staying still, it's something that is moving. For example, we will watch a movie. We will watch a TV show. We'll watch Netflix. We'll watch a video. We'll watch YouTube. Especially, we will watch Jen's Jyugyou on YouTube, right? Those are all examples of things that we will watch on a screen. But it doesn't have to be something moving on a screen. We can watch a play at the theater or watch a musical, watch a dance performance. We can also watch people. If you are a parent or a caregiver for children, especially young children, you know that it's very important to watch the children when you take them to the park to play. You need to direct your focused attention on them as they move to make sure they're not getting hurt or talking to strangers. You are watching your kids play at the park. We also use the verb watch when talking about sports. For example, my husband loves to watch baseball. He watches baseball games often. Wow, I can't wait to watch the Toronto Maple Leafs play the Vancouver Canucks. Now that we've taken a look at watch, let's take a look at the verb look. To look means, again, that you are focusing your attention on something. Your eyes are drawn towards that thing. But the difference is that thing that you are looking at is not moving. It is staying still, usually, while you look at it. And you heard me say, look at. This is because in English we use look at plus a noun to talk about the thing that we are directing our eyes towards. If you don't use the preposition at, it might sound strange. For example, look me sounds awful. It should be look at me, look at plus noun. Wow, look at that man riding a unicycle. This means I want you to direct your attention to that man. I wouldn't say, wow, watch that man, unless I wanted us to spend the next 5, 10, 15 minutes or longer staring at the man and seeing, oh, what's he doing? But if I want you to quickly glance and, oh, interesting, and then come back, look at that man riding a unicycle. In English, we often use look at pictures. So here I have a photo album full of many different photos, and I am looking at the pictures. The pictures are not moving, so I can't say I am watching the pictures. I am looking at the pictures. When you go shopping in the store, you often will look at the items you're considering buying. So if I want to buy some new clothes, I will go to the mall and I will look at the clothes. I won't say watch the clothes because the clothes aren't moving. So I will look at the clothes. And if the sales staff comes to me and asks me, "Hi, can I help you with anything today?" I would probably just say, "No thanks, I'm just looking. Oh, I'm just looking, thanks. I'm just looking. My husband has a bad habit of looking at Facebook. I think he's addicted to Facebook. He spends a lot of time looking at what other people have posted. You don't always have to use look at plus a noun. I might just want to direct your attention over there, so I could say, wow, look over there. Another really common preposition that we add with look is for. Look for. If you look for something, it means that you are searching to try and find that particular item. So this type of puzzle here is called a word search. When you do a word search, you are looking for a particular word. You're trying to find the word. So right now, I am looking for the word elephant. I'm looking for that word. Look, I found it! In English, we have the expression, don't look now, but, and then you'll finish the expression with whatever item or person it is that you want the person you're speaking to notice, but not stare directly at. For example, if I am sitting in some kind of waiting room and I'm with my friend, and suddenly I see my ex-boyfriend across the room. Oh my gosh, I don't want him to notice me. But I want my friend to be aware that he's there in the room. So I might say to my friend, oh my gosh, don't look now, but my ex-boyfriend's over there. So when I say to her, don't look now, I want her to look, but I don't want her to obviously look like, where is he? I want to try and find him right now. No, when I say don't look now, but I want the other person to subtly notice the thing without staring at it and making it obvious that they are looking at it. So the expression is don't look now, but. Oh my goodness, don't look now, but there's a really famous actor over there. Now, let's take a look at see. See has two main ways that we will use this verb in English. The main way that we think about see is the ability to use your eyes, the ability for sight to happen. Some people cannot see without glasses. Some people need glasses or contacts so that they can see. Wow, I can see so many birds with these binoculars. Wow, I can see so much. So see, again, meaning the ability to use your eyes, right? These binoculars help me to see things that are far away. If we turn out all the lights, we can't see. So we can't see if we turn off the light because it's dark. The other meaning that see has is the ability to notice something, for something to catch your attention. And usually it's something that is quicker. If someone's walking down the street and, whoa, did you see that person's hair and makeup? It was so colorful. Wow, did you see that? So I'm asking the person, were they able to notice this person or notice this event? Did you see that? Really? Where is he? Oh, I can't see him. I couldn't see the cookies you like, so I got you some chocolate instead. Now, there is one more way that we will use see in English. And this way is more casual and is used quite frequently in speaking. And this is the idea that if you are physically leaving your house to go somewhere to watch something, we will use the verb see rather than watch in casual conversation. If I invite my friend and I say, hey, do you want to watch a movie tonight or do you want to see a movie tonight? They are kind of the same, but there's the subtle difference. If I say, do you want to go see a movie tonight? It generally means that I'm referring to watching a movie at the movie theater. If I say, do you want to watch a movie tonight? It could be at the movie theater because we watch movies. Or it could be me inviting them to my house to watch a movie on Netflix. To see a basketball game, you are there physically in the stadium or watching it live with other people at some kind of viewing event. But if you're just in your house, you watched the game. My friend really loves K-pop music, so she has been to 2 BTS concerts. So I would say she has seen BTS live twice. I could say she watched BTS live because it's a physical event and they are moving, but most people will say she saw them live twice. See and watch are often very confusing. So the main point, the summary of this difference between see and watch is that most of the time, if you are leaving your house to watch something, people prefer to use the verb see. Now, you might be thinking, what about when people ask me, oh, have you seen that movie on Netflix? Shouldn't they ask me, have you watched that movie on Netflix? Because I didn't leave my house. Have you seen that movie on Netflix is perfectly good in English because going back to the previous point, see means to notice something, the ability to look at it. So I could ask you, have you watched that movie yet? Because it's something that's moving. Or I can say, have you seen it yet? Meaning, have you noticed it and directed your attention towards that item? Now, here are 2 sentences. I watched the cute puppy and I saw the cute puppy. These 2 sentences have a really big difference in meaning. It has to do with the length of time that you were using your eyes. So if I saw the puppy, it means that I noticed the puppy, looked at it briefly, and stopped. So I saw the cute puppy. Oh, what a cute puppy, finished. If I watched the cute puppy, oh, what a cute puppy. Oh, look at it playing. And maybe I spent 5 minutes or so watching the puppy. My attention is drawn towards this moving item for an extended period of time. So, see, short period of time. Watch, longer period of time. The main points that you should focus on from today's lesson are how to use watch, how to use look, and how to use see. These 3 verbs are often confused, and I hope that now, by the end of this lesson, you won't be confused about the usage of these 3 verbs anymore. In English, the verbs say, tell, speak, and talk are also very commonly confused. So if you'd like to learn more about the differences between those 4 verbs, I also have a video about that which you can check out over here. And now it's time for question of the day. Today's question is, can you, I know you can, please make 3 sentences in the comments below using the verbs watch, look, and see. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it useful and would like to see more content like this in the future, please subscribe to Jen's Jyugyou and give this video a thumbs up. Good luck with your English studies. See you in the next lesson.